Alright, this is the newest toy that we got. Picked it up yesterday from Scranton, PA. It's a 1966 Coronet 4-door. It's got the Poly 318 in it. Automatic. What else can I tell you? Got little here's and there's wrong with it, but not bad for a car 54 years old. Always wanted one of these in a 2-door. But prices on them are crazy. So I ran across this 4-door. Very affordable. Good shape. Hasn't been touched with too much. Chrome's pretty good. Everything's pretty much here. Like I said, it needs little here's and there's. So we will keep you posted what we're gonna do with this one. Upgrades, if we're going to keep it or not. '66 Coronet 440, but it does not have a 440 in it. It's got a Poly 318, and I'm going to keep you posted.
What's up, y'all?
What up?
I'm Nikki.
This is Jay Flowers.
And we only rock with Brook Synthetics.
How y'all doing? I'm Rock from Brook and I rock with the Brook Synthetics. You'll need to try it.